Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. And in this tutorial we are going to talk about type and what type is. Type in a graphic editor software, if you already don't know, guys, it means text or the written material that you can create. For it, this icon is used, which is called type tool, and the keyboard shortcut for it is T, which is obvious. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to talk about two types of text. One is point text and the other is area text. There are many other types of text, but in this scope of this tutorial is limited to these two. First of all, let us create a point text. To create a point text, select your type tool and then click somewhere. Okay, I'm going to write something in here. I'm going to rewrite super duper tutorial. Okay, now I'm gonna increase its size. To increase its size, first you have to select or highlight all of the text. You can click and drag on it, or you can double click and then it will be selected, all of it. Then increase its size to say 72 points. Of course, you can increase it beyond that. You are not limited to 72. You can just write any amount here. Okay, 100 or something. Okay, let me write 90. Okay, like that. So now once you have created that point, I want you to keep your attention to this point. This is the anchor point. It is centered here. As I drag it around, as you can see, my smart pads are on. The anchor point is aligning this text to this point, like so. You can change the text or the anchor point, because in many instances it is very useful and many things are applied to the anchor point, and it takes preferences, rotations and many other things. You can come here to paragraph and change it from here, like so, or you can change it to the left or right. Also, you can use the keyboard shortcut for it, and that is Ctrl+Shift+C on the keyboard. And if you want to change it to the right, it's Ctrl+Shift+R, and to the left it's Ctrl+Shift+L. So I'm gonna bring it back to the center, and it's now anchor point is here. As you about your mouse cursor over it, it highlights it and tells you that this is the cursor point. And the smart guides also now makes that pink line, which is line of alignment towards that center point. So I'm gonna leave it at that point. Okay, now that is a text board, the type or text point text. But there are so many things that we can do with it. Change its fill color, stroke and other stuff, but we are not gonna do that. Those things are beyond the scope of this tutorial. Now I'm gonna show you how area text is created. To create area text, you just simply click on select your type tool, then click on area with your mouse and then drag out the area that you want the text to be displayed in. As you can see, now the text is displayed in this area. I'm gonna reduce its size to maybe this much, and then I'm gonna hold down on the L key, which means love. Okay, I'm just trying to fill this area that I've created to show you that the area text is like this. Once the area is filled, the text cannot go outside its limitations, because this is the area that it has to cover. It cannot do any more than this. It has to be confined to the area that you have created for it. That's why it means the text area. Of course, you can come here, select it and give it any text type, or sample. For example, I can change this into Urdu. Okay, these are Urdu text. Fonts available here. Many other types are also, icons are also available. Let's change them to icons. They look good. Okay. But one thing I also want to show you, you can of course click and drag and create text like these. Let me change those to something else. Okay. But you are not limited to this. If you have a shape like this that I've just drawn, a rectangular shape in here, it is not simple rectangular shape. and if you bring your cursor to one of its path, as you can see, your cursor change. There is a dotted circle and an eye icon inside it. If you click on it, then it changed that shape, that basic drawing shape, into a area text. It's no longer a shape, it's a area text now. So you also have to be aware and mindful of the thing that if you choose or select things like this, they can be converted into area text. Then you need to control G and other stuff to go back and undo your doings. So with that said, I take that you guys now understood the difference and the two types that we discussed. One is point type and the other is area type. In the next tutorial, we're gonna learn some more cool stuff about what text can do inside Adobe Illustrator. In fact, text and their manipulation and logo creation and other stuff are so huge that if you master it and learn it only with this one skill and this one type and this one area of specialty in Adobe Illustrator, can make you a online living. And many people do it. They just create logos for other people. So with that said, I take my leave from you guys and hope to see you in the next tutorial.